I have told a few, sorry, before that, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Only one student, good afternoon, others, not good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Okay,
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. Little more louder, you can be. Or you're tired of chemistry class, writing formulas in your brain, all the formulas, chemical formulas are there. Huh? Okay. Um, few of have left, I mean, some more are there to submit their art integration project. I don't know where they are. Others submitted. Good. I have just gone through it. It's good. Good work. Now let me ask you: do you have any doubts in the previous DML commands? Insert query, create query, select queries, order by, etc., etc. Srihari, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. So I have told you to take seminars today based on few topics, right? Who are there? Adityaraj, Shivani here? No. Adityaraj, who are there?
Ma'am, I don't remember, ma'am.
You don't remember. Ashish Benny, do you remember?
No, ma'am. No,
Louder, louder.
no, ma'am.
You don't remember. Aryan,
I also don't remember.
Emmanuel. I think one is Emmanuel, right? That also he forgot. Start Emmanuel.
My show began.
I was leave for one day and we forgot. We forgot everything. Which is the topic? I don't know. If you don't remember, then I will give you two topics. Order by, okay. First one, Emmanuel. You have to take next class. One is order by. It's very important. And then pattern matching. Both the wildcard characters with examples. Write down in your notebook. I have to take a seminar tomorrow based on the topic 1. Pattern matching in SQL. 2. Order by. Write down. Otherwise, tomorrow also you will ask me, which is my topic, ma'am. The other person is Shivani, I guess. She's not here. Okay. We'll catch her later. So no doubts regarding the topic. So you have one more topic, that is cyber safety, cyber ethics. So that chapter we will plan to make it as a full seminar topic. So we'll start from the last person, like Ashwina, Srihari. Srihari, the pages I will send to you, the PowerPoint, not PowerPoint show, the PDF I will send to you. So the half of the pages I will let you know. Cyber safety. This is a very simple topic. So cyber ethics, what are the different hacking, cracking, etc., etc. Many things. What is a fraud, virus, worm? These topics are very easy. So few topics we can take Srihari. Then Shivani, like that, from bottom to top. Descending order. For descending order, which keyword you need to use, Emmanuel, in SQL? For displaying something in descending order, which keyword?
DESC.
DESC. So, and one more keyword is one clause is the together with DESC. What is that? the common clause which is used for both descending and ascending. Which is that? Which is that? You know DESC and you don't know the clause. Emmanuel. Emmanuel, are you there? Order by.
Yes,
Which is
yes,
the
I know.
clause? Order by. Okay. So now let's see about different modules. We're back to our Python language. Let's see different Python modules. So write down the heading as Python modules. You have to study only a little bit of Python modules. 11th standard. Python modules. MODULES. What is that, Ashish Benny? I thought it's full. Is it full A1? Full A1 inside the heart. Full A1.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, full A1.
Yes.
Okay. So what is a module? Do you think what is a module? Well, let's see. We have many programs to write for a firm, and you need to do a calculation of interest calculation in all the different files are there. Different files, different py files are there, and finally you are joining it. And in all the files, you have a formula to calculate that is interest calculation. So usually what you will do, write the formula in each and every file, isn't it? Each and every file we will write the code for the formula. Or suppose there is a factorial option, then again factorial function you will write in different. You will have to write two, three lines of codes because you need to use a loop. So in that loop, you will write in, you'll copy and paste in all the programs. Instead of that, what you can do, you can write only that particular code in a separate file and you can save it as .py file. Clear? Only that particular, in that program, you can write only the coding for the factorial. Then you can save it as a .py file. And what you can do is you can import that particular file in all your programs and you can use it. So that is called as a module. A module is a separate file or you are dividing the program into small sections, small programs, and you are saving it separately for later use. Understood? So you can use an import command and you can use that. You know that in any programming you need to use lots of mathematical calculations. Suppose there's a program which is used for a different mean, median, mode, sine, cos, tan, etc. So it will be very difficult for you to find out this mean, cos, tan, sine and all. It's a mathematical calculations or logical calculations. So Python provides some built-in modules. You can import that modules and you can use it in your program. So what will be there inside that module, Ashwin? What will be there inside that module? Suppose there is a module called math module. So which all functions you expect in a math module?
Chapters of max maybe.
Mathematical calculations. That is normal mathematical calculation. You can use plus, minus, etc. You can use raised to the power, that is, or mode. Okay, POW. That's a function which is used for power, exponential. So that kind of functions you can use for in using math module. There is a module called statistical and tan, sine, etc. that you can use in this math module. It is available in math module. So already the Python creators are already written some programs for finding the cos, tan, etc. So what you need to do is you need to just import that module and you can use it. The same way you have another module called statistics module. Statistics module is used for Emmanuel. It can be used for get up. Yes.
Game.
Statistical module is used for
Mathematical.
mathematical. Mathematical. So, Emmanuel, one more seminar topic, that is statistical module. Okay? What is this? Emmanuel, listen in the class properly. Krishnendran, what can be the use of statistical module?
For statistic operations.
Statistic, mean, median, mode,
Mode.
operations can be used in statistical module. And we have one more module that is called as random module. So many of you have written one project that is, what is that? No, snake and ladder project, no. Um, stone, paper, scissors. There you can, many of you have called me and asked me what is this random module. You need to import a random module. The values are generated randomly by the computer, isn't it? You will be entering one, then computer automatically it will be entering a value in between 1 and 3. So how that is possible? How, in order to enter some random values between the limit, Python provides another module that is called random module. That is used for gaming purpose. You are studying it only in that basic form. So random module in order to generate random numbers. Sometimes in snake ladder games, online games, you need to that computer will generate automatically. Sometimes automatically a random number will be generated and you have to guess it. So that kind of gaming purpose, usually we use a random module, and many other purposes are there. So if the thing is, just take randomly a lot between 30 students details are given, and you have to select a winner. So a random selection. Suppose that is the question, between 1 and 30, computer can select a random number. So you can you can import a random module, and you can use a function randint so that it will generate a random number. Next time when you run the program, it will generate some other number. Next time some other number. Next time some other number, but between the limit. So in that kind of things, you can use a random module. So these are the three basic modules other available in Python for general purpose, for gaming purpose, for artificial intelligence, and many other things. You have many other modules for graphical drawing purpose. You have turtle module, you have panda module, okay, you have pickle module. So that kind of modules are available. So you don't have to study that pandas and all. Pandas will be used for next year's project and all, but you don't have to study it. Okay, almost all wild animals names are there in Python. Okay, so which are the different modules, Aryan?
Statistical module, random module,
One more,
mathematical.
math module. Dia, in math module, what are the different functions available?
Addition, subtraction, then I will raise.
Raised to the power, exponential, square root, that kind of things will be available. Okay, statistical module. Alvin, Gauri,
median, mode.
Mean, median,
Median,
mode,
mode.
mode. These are the basic operations that you can use. Then last module is random. Emmanuel.
Computer select randomly the numbers between the limits.
Between the limit we can use if you use a random function. Otherwise random module is used to generate random numbers. That's all. It's not between the limit. Generate random numbers in the program. Okay, I will show you the notes now. So what is a module? How to write your own module. Just a moment. How to create your own module that you will study in 12th standard. Now you have to study only the different few functions of math module and few functions of statistical and random modules. Thus you will study next year what is a function, how to write a function. If this docstring means what is this called as, Aditya? Three triple quotes. Sorry, three quotes.
And triple quotes.
Is used for comments, right? Multi-line comments.
Yes, ma'am.
Single line comments start with hash. Multi-line comments start with three quotes. So this is called as a docstring. If you write something inside triple quotes, and this is used for defining the whatever things you are writing in a program, describing it. So that is why whenever you write a module, it should contain definitions, docstrings should be there, functions, variables, etc. So a module means separate unit. So modularity means partitioning a program into individual components. It's called modularity. Now, what are the different advantages if we use a module? The first advantage is reduces its complexity, isn't it? If you are writing all the codes, 4 or 10 lines of codes in order to find out median or mode, so this program will become complicated because number of codes will be increased. So in order to reduce the complexity of the program, you can use module so that you can import that module directly into the any program. That means you can reuse it. That is why the last point is given, the contents can be reused in other programs. So we don't have to rewrite it. And it creates a number of well-defined boundaries. So all mathematical functions coming under math module. So well documented, well-defined boundaries, all mathematical functions inside math module, all statistical function inside statistical module, all random functions inside rand module. So in that way, you can create boundaries. If you want to find out some interest, and you can write a module which calculates only interest, those who are doing only interest operations, or a module which finds only grades. So a separate definitions, it will be well defined so that you can use it for later purpose. Anyone can use it if it is saved in the hard disk. Clear? Advantages? This we will be studying in the next year. Variables, functions, variables, classes, members. That you have to use when you use your own module. You have to study it. So this is how to import a module. Import. This should be the first statement in your program. When you write Python program, the first statement should be, if you want to planning to import some modules in your program, import module name. That is the first line as a syntax. Second line, this is an example how to import a math module. So this is a built-in module in Python. Import math. There is no semicolon. There, it is not maths, it is math. If you want to import only sqrt function of math module, if you write import math, that means it will import all the functions of math module. If you want to use only a single function, then you can use a statement from math, like you say English language, from math import sqrt. That same way you can write. This is another method of importing. Import star. Again, all the functions will be imported. So import math and import star is almost same. So usually we use this. This is the commonly used method of importing. Import the module name. Since we are writing very small programs, you can import all the functions from a separate, different module. So import math. So that means there is a module called math, which is already saved in your Python installation file. When you install Python, automatically this particular file is already saved. Okay, if you want to use this function, so always use the module name dot the function name. When you press dot, when you type dot, automatically pop-up will display. It will display all the functions which are available in math module. sqrt. Sqrt means square root. And open a bracket, and this is a function. This is called a function sqrt. And inside the function, which variable you want to give, you can give. 16. Output. Emmanuel is here. Emmanuel, yes. Emmanuel. My videos off. Okay. Emmanuel, what's the answer for this? Emmanuel.
I don't understand, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Which one you did not understand my question?
Oh,
That means I have to repeat the question. No. Ashish, what can be the answer for this?
For
What's the number?
for
Very good. Now you understood the question, Emmanuel? So write down how many, just show me what are the different things you have written for tomorrow's seminar. Let me see it first.
Order by and pattern and things.
Then one I gave, one more thing.
Static module.
Then write down one more.
Okay.
How to use a module function. How to use a function. Using the module name. Now Emmanuel is in here. Print math.sqrt in bracket 16. So this is a print statement. Math.sqrt means math is a module name. Sqrt is a function inside this math module. In bracket is a variable name that you are passing, that value 16. Square root of 16 is 4. That is what? That is how the answer is coming. In that way, we have another one, Srihari, answer me. Math dot POW 2, 4. What do you think? What can be the answer?
2 raised to 4.
2 raised to 4. Very good. The first one is 2, then next one is the raised to the power. 2 parameters. So POW function has 2 parameters. SQRT function has only 1 parameter. Is that clear, Emmanuel?
No, ma'am.
POW is not clear.
No.
POW is used for finding the power. 2 is the number whose power we need to find out. 4 is the raised to the power. So 2 raised to 4. And the function used is POW. Power function is one function which is there inside math module. The operator we use is dot operator. In order to use a function, this dot is very important. Math dot POW. Math dot SQRT. If you want, you can save it to a variable name. P is equal to math dot POW. So then you can display print P. In that way also you can do. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the 3 modules, inbuilt modules in Python. Only the few modules. Okay, first one is math, second one is random, third one is statistical module. Math, random, statistical module. So we'll continue in the next class with another program, with one program. Okay? Thank you. Do you have the textbook with you? Textbook? Sumita Arora's textbooks have you got?
No.
No. Okay.